I am planning to improve my sign here. I bought this beware sign from the Dollar Tree. It is a very big arm with the hand, and it's got a beware sign in there. And it does come with like the red letters, and I want to change that. So this is a very simple, quick project that will make my sign absolutely fabulous. Well, I shouldn't say fabulous. I should be saying spooky. So for this project, I need some orange chalk paint, and I'm using pumpkin. And I like to use the chalk paint because it sticks a lot better to plastic than acrylic paint. And I'm just going to go back over and make this stand out a little better. I noticed that it doesn't show up too well at nighttime, and I want it to stand out, so that's why I've decided to update this. I am adding a second layer of paint to my words. So this is the right here, the ARE. See how they're orange, but you can see they're not as bright as I would prefer. So a second layer seems to be the way to go. So make it stand out even more. I like this. Now, if you don't want to use orange, well, definitely if you want to stay with red, continue on with the red. There are several shades of red chalk paint out, so take advantage, just if you like, use a brighter red, And I just happen to like the orange color for Halloween. Occasionally I'll use red, but not at the moment. Here we go. I want to let it dry completely and then see how it looks after the second layer here. Now, if you accidentally get off your words and onto your platform, and you don't want any like, you see right here how I went over. If you don't like that, just take a sharp piece of whatever, it doesn't matter. Scrape it off before it dries. See, I need to get into that. And my scissors is not the way to go. Let's see, I have a nail file here. Just get in there and scrape that off. Like I said, chalk paint sticks really well to plastic, so get that before it completely dries. I mean, nobody's gonna notice, right, that you went off your lettering, but like, if it really bothers you, take it off. If not, it's you can live with it. Now, okay, let me let this dry and I want to see what it looks like, but I believe that 2 layers is a really, it gives it that nice bright orange color that I'm going after. Here is my beware signs. I liked it. Look at that. 2 layers of the orange paint. It looks awesome. I want to go a little further. Well, if you've been with me for a while, you know I love glow paint. Especially for Halloween. So I have this orange glow in the dark paint I want to go back over my words with, and that'll just make it a little bit more seeable in the dark. Here is my orange glow paint. Look at that. I love the color. It is quite orange. So I'm going to go over my letters and put the glow paint on. Now, I love glow paint, so I've been slacking this year. So I'm catching up. Look at this. I love this color. It is looking really good. Now, you can put 2 layers on here if you like. You know, go 1 layer and then add another layer once the first layer dries. Or you can go with my favorite method. I love this method. Let me tell you. It is called the globbing effect. Look at this. Just take a glob of paint and pile it on. Look at this. And in this way, you don't get those even strokes that we would love to see on paintings. This is just absolutely globby. It may take a little time to dry, but the results will be absolutely wonderful. It'll give you the desired effect you want with your glue paint. Glob it on. Have fun. So I'm going to do this to all 3 of my signs, and we'll see what else I want to do with this sign. Here are my completed beware signs. Look at that. My orange is completely dry with the glow paint. Very nice. Look at this. Now, if you're doing red, you probably want to do like a neutral color glow in the dark paint if you want. That's if you want. You can stop at painting on your colors, you know. You don't have to add glow paint. That's just something I do. But aren't they cute? I like it. Now you can actually see the bright beware sign. I like it. Very happy with the results. I hope you guys like this project and that you give it a try also. Thank you for stopping by. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.